death rates and face coverings, health orders and executive orders. Greetings, everyone. This is the Gardening Snail of Livingston, California. I've been city council watching and document collecting since at least 2007. Now, I'm just trying to make sense of it all. Before we get into the main topic, the Merced County Community Action Agency is currently assisting low-income households with paying their energy bills, PG&E, MID, TID, and propane. You do not need to have a shut-off notice, and you do not need to be past due to qualify. You can call them at 209-723-3201, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. to see if you qualify. If you live outside of Merced County and you need assistance, try Googling LIHEAP in your county in California to see if they are able to assist you with your energy bill. As of the April 24th report by the county, there were 102 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Of that, 61 had recovered, with 38 cases still classified as active. There were 3 deaths reported so far, resulting in a current death rate of approximately 2.94%. This is from a press release I got in my email, and it states for immediate release, April 24th, 2020, Health Order Amendment includes requirements for social distancing and safety plans. Merced County health officials amended the current stay-at-home order today to include minimum requirements for social distancing and safety plans for essential businesses. The order also expands the definition of essential services to include drive-up services for faith-based organizations, healthcare facilities, drive-through automatic car washes, and pool maintenance. The amended order is effective immediately and supersedes the prior order issued on April 7, 2020. In an effort to align Merced County's stay-at-home order with the governor's order, changes were made to provide clarification to the essential services in our community and to assist with social distancing and safety plans, said Dr. Rebecca Nayon-Jonkep, the Department of Public Health Director. It is our hope that the changes to the order will promote public health and safety and still allow for essential services to thrive in our community. Although the order has been amended, it is important that social distancing and safety measures remain, as we're still at risk for a surge of transmission in our community. The order allows for faith-based organizations to provide weekly services through streaming or other technologies, or by conducting drive-up services where the patrons remain in their vehicles. Services must abide by physical distancing guidelines, and individuals must refrain from direct or indirect contact with others. Additionally, drive-through automatic car wash businesses where customers remain in their vehicles with no cash exchange are now deemed essential. Vacuum centers associated with car washes shall remain closed. Social distancing must still occur with a 6-foot distance between customers and employees. Moving forward, Merced County will continue adding to the list of essential businesses when possible. However, local entities such as Merced County must operate within the confines of the governor's executive order and cannot supersede its directives. All essential businesses shall be required to develop a social distancing and safety plan. The minimum requirements that must be included in the plan are: limit capacity of businesses to 5 people per 1,000 square feet. Door monitoring of individuals in and out to ensure appropriate capacity is maintained. 1 adult may enter the business per party or cart. No large family visits. Social distancing must be ensured. See details in amended order. Employees shall wipe down all carts and baskets using disinfectant. Provide adequate hand washing facilities for employees. All employees must wear cloth masks provided by employer. All visitors to a business should wear a cloth mask. Individuals not wearing a mask may be denied entry into the business. Customers must bag their own groceries or items when bringing reusable bags. Employees shall use new bags when bagging customer grocery items. All workers who are able to telecommute should be allowed to do so. All workers must be given adequate protections whenever possible, including social distancing of employees and customers. Universal screening of all employees for fever, cough, and shortness of breath shall occur, already included in the Federal Respiratory Illness Health Officer Order dated April 7, 2020. For additional information pertaining to COVID-19, please visit the department's resource website at www.countyofmerced.com/coronavirus or call the department information line at 209-381-1180. It is in English, Spanish, and Hmong. Now let's move on to the executive order that was issued within the city of Livingston. Frequently asked questions regarding the Executive Order 2020-02. The order requires all essential businesses to adopt and implement social distancing and sanitation protocols in accordance with the state and county guidelines. Essential businesses which members of the public are allowed to enter their place of business are required to post their social distancing and sanitation protocols. Additionally, all persons in the city are required to wear face coverings, remember face coverings, before entering any indoor facility besides their residence, any enclosed open space, or while outdoors when the person is unable to maintain a 6-foot distance from another person at all times. Face coverings are defined as any fabric or cloth that covers the mouth and nose and can be made using household items including scarves, bandanas, t-shirts, sweatshirts, towels, or other fabric. No holes. Do I need to wear a face mask when taking a jog or walking outside my home? No, unless you can't keep a 6-foot distance from another person that's not part of your family unit. If I visit the grocery store or the pharmacy, do I need to wear a face mask? Yes, when going into an essential business, a face mask is required at all times. When ordering food at McDonald's or any other drive-through business, is a mask required? The motorist is not required to have a face mask, but the employees of the business must have a face mask. Now here's where I think a lot of confusion happens, because here we're seeing language where they're using the words face mask, where in the introduction to this piece it clearly states face covering, and a face covering is really different than a face mask. A face mask is something that you would have to buy, whereas a face covering is something that you could put together using any cloth that you happen to have around home. So for purposes of this, face mask and face covering are pretty much interchangeable, but understand that a face covering can be made out of any cloth or fabric that you happen to have around the house that you can fit around your face and cover your mouth and nose. So here we have the next question. Where can I find some face masks? I can't find any at the stores or online. You can use a bandana or any other type of face coverings as long as it doesn't have holes, or you can make one. Further guidance on face coverings could be found here, and then underneath this is a couple of different websites where you can get instructions on creating a face covering. For the economically challenged residents, we have some cloth face masks at no cost, and we also have access to other types of face masks that we pass along at cost. Feel free to contact City Hall at 209-394-8041. Next one. I currently work for a professional services employer and I work indoors. Do I need to have my mask on at all times? Since this is a place of employment and you can maintain a 6-foot distance between coworkers, a mask is not required but strongly recommended for your health and that of your family. I noticed that our local post office is not following our local social distancing protocols. Our local post office is governed by federal statute under the Center for Disease Control. The local postmaster and the regional manager for this service area were both informed of our executive orders. Does this executive order require individuals to wear a face mask while driving? No. Residents can drive their vehicles without the need to wear a face mask. So let's recap what we've covered here. The Merced County Community Action Agency is currently assisting low-income households with paying their energy bills. As of the April 24th report by the county, in Merced County, the death rate from COVID-19 is approximately 2.94%. Merced County amended its stay-at-home order to expand the definition of essential services to include drive-up services for faith-based organizations, animal care facilities, drive-through automatic car washes, and pool maintenance. Social distancing and safety plans must be in place, minimum requirements, limiting capacity, door monitoring of individuals in and out, 1 adult entering a business per party or cart, social distancing must be ensured, employees shall wipe down all carts and baskets, and adequate hand washing for employees shall be provided. In the city of Livingston, all people are to wear a face covering before entering any indoor facility beside their residence, and their face covering can be made up of scarves, bandanas, t-shirts, sweatshirts, towels, and other fabric without holes. So what are your thoughts on this? Comments? Questions? Let me know in the comment section below this video. If you're subscribed to the channel already, you might want to check and make sure you're still subscribed so you're notified whenever a new video goes live. And subscribe if you're new. Until next time, this is the gardening snail of Livingston, California, because not every critter is hiding under a rock.